how to creatively upscale any images for free with NanoBanana. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can creatively upscale blurry or low-resolution images using Gemini NanoBanana Pro for free. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. So let me show you exactly how to do it. First, open Gemini.com or launch the Gemini app. The method works with almost any image: blurry photos, compressed pictures, screenshots, or low-resolution portraits. Next, choose a low-quality image. Upload or paste the image directly into the Gemini chat. After uploading the picture, paste your creative upscaling prompt. This prompt basically tells Gemini to reconstruct details, enhance realism, increase clarity, and generate a higher resolution version while keeping the subject faithful to the original image. Once the prompt is ready, click Tools, then select Create Images. Now send the message and wait for Gemini to generate the result. The generation time may be slightly longer than normal because the AI needs to analyze the image carefully and imagine missing visual information. Especially with extremely small or blurry images, the model works harder to rebuild facial details, textures, and lighting. When the result appears, you'll notice something interesting. The output isn't just sharpened, it looks newly photographed. Gemini essentially guesses what the person or object would look like. Sometimes certain areas may look slightly different or stylized because the AI is interpreting missing information. If that happens, simply press the Redo button to generate another variation. Often the next version looks even more accurate. And that's basically it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.